500 tonne short, or 300.
Or 500.
500 short.
Yeah.
No chance. There's a boat which is taking 3,500 tonne of scrap. We knew we were going to be short, so we've got the site ready, the machines are sitting there, the contract signed.
We've been expecting to start for the last 6 weeks. I don't see machines parked up, I see pound notes parked up.
We're all sitting there and we're getting texts from the shipping company, what's happening, will you get it done, will you get it loaded? So the Spanish don't know we have a problem, so we're just hoping they don't find out. There's still a few hours, so we live in hope.
We've actually jumped the gun in setting the site up. He allowed us to do that, but not to start the demolition.
Quarter to 4, we got the phone call telling us to get on with it. We've got 24 hours to fill a ship that is now in T-size. It's a big ask, but I'm sure we'll manage. We always do.
It's a lovely building. It's a shame to demolish this.
But I'm sure it doesn't stop us sleeping at night that we've got all this scrap here.
You can't be too sentimental, because you wouldn't be in the game.
Spread it, sort it, move it, sweep up and clean up and start again. Copper, aluminium, stainless, zinc, clean it, copper, brass, gunmetal, whatever. If I like it, I love it. I love this more than I love my wife.
I taught them from a very early stage. The harder the work, the better the reward. Start away, all you're aiming for is to get 100 grand. And when you've got that 100, you start to want 1,000. And when you've got that, it wants to be 10. And so on and so on, until there's no limit now. Gordon and Michael do have the same drive as I have, if not greater. It's the world they're looking for.